Baked apple is a simple yet comforting dessert made by baking whole apples stuffed with raisins and brown sugar. While it's not a traditional Japanese sweet, it became a popular homemade treat in the 1970s and 80s and remains a nostalgic dessert for many people today. First, use an apple corer or a small knife to hollow out the core of the apples, being careful not to cut through the bottom. This way, the filling won't leak out. In a small bowl, add the walnuts or pecan nuts, raisins, brown sugar, and cinnamon and mix. Arrange the apples in a baking dish and stuff the mixture into the holes in the middle. And place a piece of butter on top of each apple and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Remove from the oven and spoon the juices released from the apples over them several times. Serve immediately while hot. Spices like cinnamon and other cozy wintry aromas fill the kitchen with warmth and bring the comforting flavors of autumn and winter into your home. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。